Hello and welcome. Now I bought these recently, 50 LED outdoor lights. Now luckily it has 3 batteries included, 3 AA batteries, and it has a feature for switching on or on in a timer. Now unfortunately these are only about 5 meters long and there's only 50 in this. This cost €4.99. So I had a look again and I found these ones here. 100 multicolour LED lights, again battery operated, again on the timer, and these are about 10 meters long and for indoor and outdoor. So let's just have a look. There you go, there's your batteries. There's your little box for your batteries. And there's your little LEDs. Now let's set them up and see if there's also an alternative way to run it. Open the box. And you'll see where the 3 batteries go. Now I haven't opened these yet. They're generally about 1.7 volts fully charged. Put them in, that works up at about 5.1 volts, and they'll probably run for a few days, maybe several days if you're using the timer. If not using the timer, then they're going to be gone in a couple of days, and you cannot recharge them, so you'll have to dispose of them in the correct manner and then buy more batteries. Now instead of buying batteries or buying more disposable batteries, why not use some rechargeables? Might cost a bit more initially, but in the long run they'll pay for themselves. So let's just put these in, put them in the correct order. You can close it over if you wish, and you'll see on the writing here it says timer on and off. Now the first press of the button is timer. There you go. Second is just on constantly, and then 3 is off. Rechargeable batteries, or when they're fully charged, they're generally about 1.4 to 1.45 volts, and they will work continuously until they drop right down to probably 0.9 or even lower. But if they do drop too low, they may not be able to recharge. Now another alternative is little lithium-ion batteries. This one happens to be out of a little vape pen, and when fully charged they will come up to about 4.2 volts. This one here is 650 milliamps. What we do then is we'll only need to put it into one slot, but you still have to create the circuit. So what you can do, if you have handy, is a couple of metal paper clips, open them out and then twist them and bend them to the correct length, or even just a little bit more, and put it into place. Again, there's no polarity on the pins. That's 1. And this is 2. Press the button and there you have it. There's one little battery that's usable. Now if you don't have any paper clips, another option is, if you have a couple of screws lying around, you can use those to complete the circuit, like so. I just need to get it up to touch, and there we go, working again. Now there is an outdoor option again, but that'll be in the next video. So if you found this useful, give us a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe, and you'll find us on the usual social media platforms.